Do you ever realize that cameras have changed as human beings have changed? They were tools to show people the world through our perspective. However, in our culture, cameras have become tools not to show people our perspective, but to show people ourselves. Isn't that a little bit hypocritical considering this whole video is basically a selfie? Let's change that up this week. So here I am at 100 feet, and I am just a little tiny speck on the screen. In fact, all you can really see is just a little bit of red on my hat. Let's take this thing up to 200 feet. At 200 feet, I completely disappear off the screen. So what's the point? Maybe I'm not as big a deal as I think I am. Maybe I should set goals that are bigger than myself. There's a whole world out there when we just choose to look outward instead of inward. 2019 is your year. Be a part of something bigger than yourself.